Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is metals and non-metals. This is unit test paper number 6. So in the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 5. Now let us move for unit test paper number 6. The first question is, a lustrous non-metal is, among these four options the right option is iodine. Now let us move for the second question. The earthly impurities present with ore is called. Among these four options, the right option is option B, ganj. Ganj particles. So option B. Now let us move for second main. First question, that is second main, that is third question. What is the byproduct of roasting and calcination? So they asked byproduct. So roasting, the byproduct of roasting is sulfur dioxide, and the byproduct of calcination is carbon dioxide. The release of sulfur dioxide during roasting and release of carbon dioxide during calcination. Now let us move for question number 4. What is meant by electrolytic refining? So let us answer the fourth question. What is meant by electrolytic refining? So electrolytic refining is defined as the process of purification of crude metal after extraction by using electricity is called as electrolytic refining. Now let us move for question number 5. In the question number 5 they have given, that is third main question number 5. Give two examples for corrosion. So example for corrosion, example 1, that is when copper particles are exposed to atmosphere, it reacts with carbon dioxide to form a green copper carbonate. CuO plus CO2 give rise to CuCO3. Then example 2, when silver articles exposed to atmosphere, when silver articles are exposed to atmosphere, it reacts with sulfur to form silver sulfide. 2Ag plus S give rise to Ag2S. This Ag2S silver sulfide will become black, that is black in color. So the silver become black due to corrosion. Now let us move for question number 6. Write the chemical differences between metals and non-metals. So let us write the chemical differences between metals and non-metals. So let us answer for sixth question. So let us write one side metals, another side non-metals. So the first difference between metals and non-metal with respect to chemical properties, metals are electropositive. Metals are electropositive and non-metals are electronegative. Metals are electropositive and non-metals are electronegative. Then second one, metals it forms basic oxides. Metals forms basic oxides and non-metal forms acidic oxides. Then the third difference is they are reducing agent. Metals are reducing agent and non-metals they are oxidizing agent. They are oxidizing agent. Then the next one, they react with water. They reacts with water. They do not react with water. They do not react with water. So these are the some of the chemical properties, chemical differences between that is metals and non-metals. Now let us move for seventh question. Aluminium is a highly reactive metal, yet it is used to make utensils for cooking. Why? So let us move for seventh question. So let us answer seventh one. Aluminium is a highly reactive metal, yet it is used for making utensils for cooking. Why? So first one is that aluminium is a good conductor of heat. Aluminium is a good conductor of heat. First one. Second one, it reacts with oxygen present in air to form a thin layer of aluminium oxide. This oxide layer is very stable and prevents further reaction of aluminium with oxygen. Now let us move for question number 8. Most metal give rise to basic oxide. Explain an experiment to support this statement. So now let us answer for question number 8. Take a magnesium ribbon. Clean it and burn in air to form a white powder magnesium oxide. Add this magnesium oxide with water so that magnesium oxide will dissolve in water. For this one equation, 2 Mg plus O2 give rise to 2 MgO. dissolve in water to form magnesium hydroxide. So MgO plus H2O give rise to MgOH taken twice. Now take a red litmus paper and dip in it. If red changes to blue, then magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. So like this we have to by experiment we have to prove that most metals give rise to basic oxides. Now let us move for ninth question. Give reason for the following. Food cans are coated with tin rather than zinc. First question. We can store copper sulfate solution in a silver vessel but not silver nitrate solution in a copper vessel. Addition of some copper to pure gold for making ornaments. So let us answer the ninth question now. So ninth one, A question. Food cans are coated with tin rather than zinc ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Because zinc is more reactive. Zinc is more reactive than copper. Sorry. Zinc is more reactive than tin. So it reacts with food and spoils the food. In that second question, we can store copper sulfate solution in a silver vessel but not silver nitrate solution in a copper vessel because silver is less reactive than copper. CuSO4 plus Ag give rise to AgSO4. Here no reaction takes place because silver cannot displace copper. Since copper is more reactive than silver, it displaces silver. So Cu plus AgNO3 taken twice give rise to CuNO3 taken twice plus Ag. So this is possible but this is not possible. So in that one only one more question is there, C, that is addition of some copper to pure gold for making ornaments because pure gold is very soft, so it is not possible to mold to any shape by adding small amount of copper makes gold makes gold hard. So this is the answer for ninth question. Now let us move for the next question, and this is the last question. Draw a neat label diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. So this is the last question. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 6. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 7. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.